Want to speak real Hungarian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HungarianPod101.com.
Szia! Hello. The first one is szia, which means hello. Szia. But if I say it to all of the viewers, then I would say sziasztok. And this is an informal way of greeting people. So please use it with someone who is the same age as you or younger than you. You can use it with people who are older than you or in more high position, just in case they allow you to use this informal way. They usually say that, yeah, you can greet me like this, or you can call me like that, and then it's a green light for saying szia. If you address more than one person, you should say sziasztok. So this is how you greet a group of people.
Viszontlátásra. Goodbye. Viszontlátásra. Goodbye. Viszontlátásra could be difficult because you have an N, T, and L consonants all together. So when you practice, it's better to do it slowly, viszontlátásra, and then when you're confident enough, you can say it more faster. Viszontlátásra.
Ciao. Bye. Ciao. Bye. This word is coming from, I think, Italian. It's kind of a slang. It's cool to say to your friends. Jó reggelt. Good morning. Jó reggelt. Good morning. This is what you say in the morning. It's usually used in Hungary from early morning until around 11 a.m. And it literally means good morning. Jó means good and reggel means morning. Jó napot. Good afternoon. Jó napot. Good afternoon. You use this after jó reggelt, so from around 11 a.m. This also literally means good day. Jó means good and nap means day. Don't use it with kids because it would sound a little bit weird. But yeah, in general, you can use it with strangers. Just greet them, jó napot, good afternoon, and yeah. Jó éjszakát, good night. Jó éjszakát, good night. This is what you say before going to sleep, or when you part with someone in the evening and you won't meet again until the next day. So jó means good and éjszaka means night. So jó éjszakát means good night. Mi a neved? What's your name? Mi a neved? What's your name? Mi a neved is an informal way to ask someone's name. If you would like to be more formal, please use mi a neve? Én vagyok. Én Léna vagyok. I'm Lena. This is how you introduce yourself. So you have to use én, which means I am, and then say your name, and then vagyok, which is to be in Hungarian. So én Léna vagyok. I'm Lena. You know, you can use it either in a formal or an informal situation. Örvendek. Nice to meet you. Örvendek. Nice to meet you. You use örvendek, nice to meet you, in a more formal situation. When you just greet friends or friends of your friends, you don't necessarily need to say this, otherwise you'll sound a little bit formal. But it's not totally wrong, it's just you wouldn't sound as friendly. Hogy vagy? How are you? Hogy vagy? How are you? This is an informal way to ask this question, and if you would like to be more formal, please use hogy van. So informal is hogy vagy, And then a more formal is hogy van? Köszönöm jól, és te? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Köszönöm jól, és te? I'm fine, thank you. And you? This is how you respond when someone asks you, how are you in Hungarian? Hogy vagy? So let's see a situation. Hogy vagy? Köszönöm jól, és te? Van. To be. Our first word is van. To be. Egy macska van a kertben. There's a cat in the garden. Kedvel. To like. Kedvel. To like. Nagyon kedvelem a szomszédaim. I really like my neighbors. Or I don't know my neighbors. Yeah, that's the truth. Csinál. To do. Csinál. To do. Csinálok pár felülést. I do a few sit-ups. Mond. To say. Mond. To say. Mit mondtál? Hánykor kezdődik? What did you say? What time does it start?
Ma nagyon jól nézel ki. You look great today. Ma nagyon jól nézel ki. You look great today. Say it to someone you want to cheer up, or like you meet someone who is dressed up really nice, looking great, and then just say, ma nagyon jól nézel ki, and they'll be super happy.
Hall. To hear. Hall. To hear. Hallod, milyen hangos a zene? Can you hear how loud the music is? Megy. To go. Megy. To go. Holnap megyek kocogni. Ma nincs időm rá. I go jogging tomorrow. I don't have time for it today. Tud. To know. Tud. To know. Ki tudja még rajtad kívül? Who knows it besides you? Vesz. To take. Vesz. To take. Te vetted el a könyvet innen? Did you take the book from here? Lát. To see. Lát. To see. Nem látom rendesen, hogy mi van odaírva. I can't see well what's written there. Jön. To come. Jön. To come. Péter nem jön ma moziba velünk. Peter won't come to the cinema with us today. Gondol. To think. Gondol. To think. Csak a hétvégére tudok gondolni. I can only think of the weekend. Néz. To look. Néz. To look. Anna a kirakatban levő ruhákat nézi. Anna is looking at the clothes in the shop window. Akar. To want. Akar. To want. Nem akarok fogorvoshoz menni. I don't want to go to the dentist. Yeah, it's a common issue. Ad. To give. Ad. To give. Adni mindig jó. Giving is always good. Használ. To use. Használ. To use. Milyen okostelefont használsz? What kind of smartphone do you use?
Hiányzol. I miss you. Hiányzol. I miss you. I don't know any situation. I'm not dramatic. I miss people, but it's like, I don't know, when I hear this word and like even the English, it's like I imagine some like romantic drama and like, you know, people freaking out about each other and things like that. Nagyszerű munkát végeztél. You did a great job. Nagyszerű munkát végeztél. You did a great job. If I want to tell this sentence to our HungarianPod101.com users, then I would say, nagyszerű munkát végeztetek.
Köszönöm. Thank you. Köszönöm. Thank you. This is a simple way to say thank you in Hungarian. If you want to express more gratitude, then you can say nagyon köszönöm. Thank you very much. So yeah, köszönöm. Nagyszerű. Awesome. Nagyszerű. Awesome. You can use this expression with everyone, but if you want to sound more cool with your friends or with younger people, then you can say király or cool. Okay. 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 This is kind of a casual, slangish way to talk. If you're talking to strangers or you're in a more formal situation, then probably it's better to say rendben van, which means it's alright. So use okay with your friends and with younger people.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.